Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some tips and tricks on writing a hotshot trucking business plan. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into some tips and tricks for your hotshot trucking business plan. Give you some pointers on how to best write one. All right, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me calls, me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the Hot Shot Trucking tips and tricks for writing a business plan. All right, so the first thing I like to do when I am writing a Hot Shot Trucking business plan is to deliver a nice, clean cover page. A lot of times, when a client sends me over their previous business plans, they want me to update it. There's a lot going on. They've got a big old, truck in the background, and they've got writing all over the place, and it just seems like just a lot of information. Um, it's not welcoming. It's overwhelming, and you haven't even gotten past the cover. And that's not what you want to convey in the cover of your Hotshot Trucking business plan. So the way that I like to structure my Hotshot Trucking business plan covers is I'll put the title of the company up top. Underneath there, I'll go ahead and put the company logo. And then at the bottom, you really do want to just tell the reader what document this is. I mean, you've got strategic plans, you've got marketing plans, you've got business plans, you got all kinds of different plans for your business. You want to tell them which one it is. And so just make sure you explicitly state that this is the business plan. All right, tip number two. Tip number two, when you write your executive summary, you want to tell a story. And in the story, you want a beginning. And in the beginning, you want to tell about your business, what you're going to be doing, how you're going to be doing it. And you want to also be telling them what market you're going to be serving. So that's the beginning and the middle of your story, which you should be able to convey in your executive summary. Next, the climax of your story should be your financial highlights, how much money you're going to make, what your expenses are going to be, and then what your net profits are going to be. And then finally, the conclusion of your story or the conclusion of your executive summary should be your funding request. How much money do you need to make this fairy tale or to make this story come true? I'll make sure you tell them exactly how much money you need, what the terms are going to be, interest rates that you're expecting, how you're going to be paying the money back. So that is the way that I like to I like to go ahead and structure my executive summary. It's like a story of telling them what's going to be happening, and then how much money you're going to be making at the end, and how much money you need to make this story come true. All right. And then the third tip for writing a hotshot trucking business plan is your SWOT analysis. A lot of people, they do include their SWOT analysis in their hotshot trucking business plan. However, what they fail to do is to properly structure their SWOT analysis. So SWOT analysis, all that means is you're going to be telling the reader about the strengths, weaknesses, the opportunities, and threats to your organization. However, there is a specific structure that you should follow when doing your SWOT analysis. Your strengths and weaknesses of the SWOT analysis should focus on the internal aspects of your organization. What you can control, in essence, should be your strengths and weaknesses. The opportunities and threats, those should be the external factors of your business. It's everything else that's outside of your business should be covered in your opportunities and threats. And also, well, for example, when you do your strength, Like I said, it should be something that you be able to control within your organization. And a documented strategic plans, as an example for your hotshot trucking business, is something that you can control and you will have once you have a business plan. And so that's, like I said, it's a strength. You're head and shoulders above all your competitors, and it's within your business and you can control it. A weakness for your business is going to be an untested business location. So, if you're using your home office for your hotshot business, well, that's a different location that nobody has ever tried a hotshot business from, and it's untested and it's something within your control because you do choose the location of your home office. And in its weakness, because like I said, you've never done it before, and so it can be construed as a weakness. And then for your opportunities and threats, that's outside of your control. And an example of outside of your control would be your community involvement. You can go out there and participate in the community, but it doesn't mean that the community is going to return the favor and participate as well. So that could be an opportunity, but you can't control how the community is going to participate. And then finally, for threats, establish competitors. You do have hotshot competitors out there. You can't control them, and they are threats. And so that is how it would align within your SWOT analysis. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.